What a day, what a day. We're here with Megan. You don't know Megan. Do you know Megan? Megan
35.
And Megan called us for something special. Hoekom?
Something very special.
You said Leatt has something for us. Now, we've been with Leatt for quite some time. We love Leatt. You are busy prepping for a launch, eh?
Yes.
So this is their secret spot. It's somewhere off the grid, away from Leatt offices, a secret hideaway with a lot of Leatt gear. And she called us in. Hoekom?
For a surprise. A very big surprise.
Yeah? Tell me.
Yes, we've launched an adventure range.
Are we getting socks?
Something a bit better than socks, yes.
Wys my.
Okay, so we'll start with gloves. You need gloves. You need pants.
Gloves and pants. Whoa, what?
And
Whose pants are these? What? It's my...
Wait, but you need more gloves.
Gloves, pants and jacket, right?
More gloves.
It's fine.
Another jacket for funny. Alright. And you also need boots. You need boots.
How do you know my size? Well, you know my sizes. It's on record. Check it, bros. Funny. Let's unpack all of this. Let's check. Can I put it down on the table? Okay, let's check it out quickly. Megan, what gebeur? Well, let's use it. What's this? Oh, look at this. It's the what? The multi-tour.
7.5 multi-tour jacket, yes.
Dis 'n moerse baadjie and it's got what?
It's three layers. Waterproof, thermal liner, 5-year warranty. All liners are removable.
5-year warranty.
Yes.
All of it removable.
We've got a pocket at the back for
Hydration. I love the hydration. Extra pocket on the side.
All vents can open. Did you know that?
The vents.
Yes. All the vents.
And so it's on the chest. So for air to come through op die bors. You know when you got a draft on your chest. How's that? Multi-tour jacket.
Everyone gets a pay.
Check the pants, no?
Okay, you've got built-in knee guards here.
Adjusting at the bottom.
Yes.
Oh, there is padding, and this is all CE2, ne? Rated. So it's proper.
Yeah, level 2. Yes.
Level 2 rated.
Level 2 rated. It's as well protected. Liners can come out.
Oh, check this. My bro. David Kraver. And it's also got the liners on the inside, ne?
Yes, all removable.
Check. Lining on the inside. So there's like something warm there, and there's something for water as well, and it's all removable. But now the boots.
Boots.
What boots? Are these the adventure boots?
These are the adventure boots.
Funny, we've been wearing that squeaky boots for quite some time, haven't we? Do you get the squeaky in the Leatt?
Yes.
They always squeak.
They always squeak.
You can never sneak up on someone. 17.6.
7.5.
7.5 boots. Funny.
It's beautiful.
Batman. It's Batman boots. Check it out. Ah, I love it. Okay, right now, but now that's it. Or gloves. Where's the gloves? Oh, these are Fonny's color. Fonny, are you aware of the fact that we have different colors? I've checked it now. I'll show you quickly what the color is. And these are the proper adventure gloves. Check out the new adventure gloves. No? And it has the leather on the palm and padded as well.
And you've got a windscreen wiper on here.
Are you kidding me?
Wiper.
A goggle wiper on the... Funny, check your color. Bro. I don't know how they know. Black pants. Batman. And then... Check. Funny. Perfect for your English bike. Check it out. Huh? What a jacket, bro. Megan. Dankie. Thank you. Kialiboha. No. Thank you, Leatt. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Megan. Thank you for all the effort and you're supporting us. And it is an absolute pleasure wearing Leatt. Totally. It is a lovely kit. We have neck braces. And we have them. All the gear all the time. Bye.